Okay, so hey, here's what we're doing. We're going to put this candle in the center of those, and we're going to take these sticks and put on the floor, but I'm going to fill this. This is cloves and oranges. Now, I can remember we used to put cloves on the outside of oranges through the skin, and my grandmother used to take some old pantyhose and cut the feet out of them, and then she'd put those oranges. I'm not joking. She'd put the oranges with the cloves in it in the pantyhose and then tighten a knot and hang it. I know it looked kind of weird too, but it made the house smell good. So this is different, and I saw it, so I figured I would try it. And supposedly it gets rid of mosquitoes too. So we're gonna see. And I'm sure y'all probably don't care about seeing me poke a clove in an orange. Kind of boring, but when I get it done, I'll show you. And when I light it, see, it's going to be above this, like this. So it should be pretty cool. And we'll see if it works, okay? Talk to you in a bit. Bye. Okay, that's a funny looking little alien, whatever you want to call it. Let's see if that's out the light. Yeah, if you put it on like a mirror coffee table or something, I don't know how safe it'd be. Um, on a wooden coffee table. I've got it on the stove because the stove is glass. But it smells good. I mean, it's cloves and orange and burning, so yeah. And it looks kind of cool. You know, you could probably, since those skewers, you could probably cut those skewers off and have your kids paint them or something and do it for Christmas or whatever. You know, hey, just an idea. And it smells good. And I don't, like I say, I don't have any mosquitoes here. Mosquitoes don't like me. I guess I'm not sweet enough. I don't know. But it does look cool, and you know, just an idea. Maybe someone wants to try it out. I mean, it's summertime and mosquitoes are out, so I mean, I'm not swearing to it since I don't have mosquitoes. But you can give it a shot and see if it works for you, and let us know in the comments. You know. But all I did was poke the cloves. I cut the orange. I cut the bottom of the orange off first to make it stand up. There. See, I just took the bottom off to make it kind of level. See? And then I poked the cloves in it and stuck the skewers in it. But I had to, you got to get, the way that I saw the guy do it, he took a long candle and he took his thumb and stuck it down in the orange uh, to make a place for the candle. But they didn't have any long candles anywhere around, and I didn't have any long candles, so I had to make do with this one, which I didn't have to stick a hole down in there. So yeah, it seems to be working okay. If you had just one of the regular candles, you know, a tapered candle, you're only going to use like a thumb's depth, and then you just put more cloves. So I don't know if it'd smell better, worse, whatever, but give it a shot. See what you think. Leave a comment down in the comment section. Especially because the guy says put it in, I think it was on TikTok or something that I saw this advertised. The guy says put it in your living room or wherever you have the most mosquitoes. And he says makes my house smell like I'm a rich person. I don't know what he meant by that, but I mean, I got the clothes from Amazon, and they were like $2. And then I bought one orange, and as you can see, the orange is dripping. So we're going to see what happens if I let this go for quite a while. I mean, already my kitchen smells pretty good, so we will let it go and see how this comes out. Yep, it smells good. Doesn't smell like a dental office, but it smells good. Okay, like I say, y'all try it, give it a shot. The clothes I got were $2, and the orange was like, I don't know, I think it was on sale for 50 cents, and so I decided to try it, and I had skewers already. I had a whole bunch of those. Those come like 50 to a sack full for like $1 or something. So yeah, it's pretty cheap to try. Why not? Give it a shot. See if it smells good, makes your house smell good. I mean, at the worst, it can make your house smell. I don't say that. Started to say at the worst, all it can do is make your house smell good. But if it tips over, it could catch your house on fire. So you want to kind of watch it. Be on the safe side. Because, whether you know it or not, if you take that orange peel and bend it, squeeze it over an open flame, it'll spit fire. Trust me, it will. It's kind of like how they make napalm. So, except they added gel and all kinds of other stuff. But this, I think, is going to be pretty safe as it is because it's on the top of the stove and nothing, it can't burn anything. Okay, so that being said, and it's warm outside, if you're in a warm place, go swimming. If you're in a cold place, find a warm place to go swimming. If you can't find a warm place to go swimming, snuggle up with someone. And y'all stay safe, and we will see y'all soon. Bye.